Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to take stock report product price with ASN and GIO under the warehouse module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. Then we have to select the stock report product price with ASN and GIO on the report. On this page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now we can view the ASN quantity and GIO quantity details. This is how to take stock report product price with ASN and GIO under the warehouse module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.